Now let's see the concept of don't care conditions. Don't care conditions. In some logic circuits, certain input combinations never occur. Therefore, the corresponding output also never occur. In certain or in some logic circuits, certain input combinations never occur. Therefore, corresponding output never occurs. In this case, if corresponding output never occur means we have to take either it may be high or low. That means output cannot be defined in these don't care conditions. Hence we will take that undefined output as either high or low. That means depend on the situation. Either you have to take in the SOP form or the POS form. That means take output as either high or low. That means 0 or 1. This don't care condition is represented by cross OR or D. A circuit designer is free to make the output for any don't care condition. Either it may be 0 or 1. In order to produce the simplest output expression, let's see the small truth table and the corresponding K-map, then you will understand the don't care conditions very well. Let's see A, B, C, Y, output Y, 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1. It will be the 0 1 0 1 0 1 don't care, right? If you want to draw the K-map for this, let's see what will be happen. K-map for this A, B, C, 0 1. This will follow the gray code sequence, right? 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. 0 means 0, 0 0 1 means 1, 0 1 1 means 1, 0 1 0 means 0, 1 0 0 means 0, 1 0 1 means 1, 1 0 1 means 1, 1 1 will be the don't care condition, 1 1 0 will be the don't care condition. Here you can observe, if you take the SOP form, here in the K map, you will easily get the output, right? That means if you replace this don't care by 1, means here you can get the quad pair, right? So if you neglect this, here also cross will be there, for example, and here also cross will be there. So if you take the POS form for this, you will get the exact output. That means you have to reduce the K map. Either you have to take the SOP form or the POS form from this, you will get the identified output. Let's see. A, B, C. This will be the 0, the 1. For the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here this don't care is represented by either you have to take the 0 or the 1. According to our convenience, we will take the 1. Here this don't care, no need for this, you will take the 0. Here you can form the quad pair. This will represent the A bar, this will represent the A. Here this will be the B bar C, this will be the B C. B plus B bar will be the B plus B bar is equal to 1, C plus C is equal to C, hence the result will be the C. Some of them are get the doubt also. Here why you take the 0 instead of 1? Because if you take the 1 here, this will become the quad pair and this will become the another pair. Hence the Boolean expression will be increased. That will be not in the reduced form. We have to take the only the reduced form Boolean expression in the don't care conditions. Okay, let's see the small example for this. F of A comma B comma C comma D is equal to summation of small m 1 comma 3 comma 7 comma 11 comma 15 plus summation of D will be the 0 comma 2 comma 4. This summation of D of 0 comma 2 comma 4 represents the don't care conditions. I have to tell that don't care conditions can be represented by cross, OR or D. Let's do the K map for this. A, B, C, D. This will be the 0, 0. This will follow the gray code sequence, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This will be the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see. 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. 1, 3, 7, 11, next 15. Here don't care conditions will be the 0, 2, 4. Let's see, by our convenience we can take the POS form or SOP form. Here, by taking the don't care conditions either high or low, this will be the A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Hence this will be the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. With the one, one, here 1, 1, 1. In case of don't care, we will take as 1. Here also 1, and neglect this. Here only you will get the output, right? This will be the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Here you will see this will form a one quad, and this will form a another quad. Hence the output will be for this. This will be the A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Here you will see A plus A bar is equal to 1. Here A plus A bar is equal to 1. Here B plus B bar is equal to 1. Here B plus B bar is equal to 1. Total will become the 1. Here this will be the C, D. Hence the answer will be the C, D. Here if you see, this will be the C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Here you can see C plus C bar is equal to 1, C plus C bar is equal to 1. Here D plus D bar is equal to 1. Here D plus D bar is equal to 1. Here total will become the 1. Hence you will get the A bar plus B bar, A bar dot B bar, sorry. Hence the output expression will be the Y is equal to A bar B bar plus C, D. Let's see another example for the don't care conditions. Then you will clearly get the how you do the don't care conditions. F of question f of a comma b comma c comma d, that is equal to summation of m 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 12 comma 13 plus summation of d 4 comma 9 comma 14 comma 15. Let's see the don't care conditions for this. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here this will be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here you will get the 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, and don't care conditions will be the 4, 9, 14, 15. Let's do the K-map for this. This will be the A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0 1 1 1 1 0. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Here 1 1 1 1. Here if you take the high condition, that means high logic, 1 1 1 1. Here you can clearly observe this will form an octet, right? Octet pair. Hence the answer will be the P. In this way we can simply reduce the Boolean expression by using the don't care conditions. These don't care conditions will play a crucial role in the hardware circuits. In the next concept we will see the combination circuits. Thank you.